this thing today, the FMS FCX24M Toyota Tacoma. Looks good. Tires feel great, especially for RTR tires or stock tires. They're the exact same tires as far as I can see as the ones that came on my little FCX24 Land Rover Discovery. Wheels look great, tires feel great, but I'm going to run these and I'm going to steal these tires off here because I'm running Batrozzi wheels and tires on the Discovery, so I don't have to take those off just yet. Oh, bye-bye wheel. Because earlier this year, I was watching the Fair RC live stream. Batrozzi is a Fair RC in-house brand, and they had a giveaway, and I won. What did I win? I won these little 0.9-inch wheels. So for well, basically for FCX24M, and that's that's about it. Oh, why they put them in like a Ziploc bag and then, well, anyhows. And I reckon these black and red, anodized red kind of, these look really nice. And I reckon these are going to look great on the Tacoma. And they add a bunch of weight because these brass rings are heavy and thick. So compared to, they're really heavy. I really should weigh them, shouldn't I? Let's do a quick comparison here. Since I have the corner weight system and all that stuff, let's just get these out of the bag first. I'm not even going to bother with a knife. Where am I? Nope. Got it to work. All right, so if I take one of these and one of the tires, then we just use one of the corner weights. Oh, do I even have the app installed?
A few moments later.
All right, so I'm just gonna grab one of my corner scales. We're gonna put wheel and a tire on there, and that's 8 grams for a wheel and tire. Then we're gonna take that off. We're gonna take that off, and we're gonna add a brass ring, the front and the rear part of the wheel. Let's not bother with the screws. And then the tire, we're looking at 36 grams, so more than 4 times, 4.5 actually, 4.5 times the weight of stock wheels and tires. That's gonna help. So let's go, let's get to mounting them, shall we? I reckon it's about time to do that. All right. And these go together like pretty much any other little or large beadlock wheel and tire. Is it? Nope. It's 1.5 millimeter. All right. Just start with just putting the brass ring in there. Actually, are these tires the? These tires might actually be tiny bit smaller because I think these are the 0.8-inch ones and not the 0.9-inch because the Discovery comes with a 0.8 wheel and tire. Oh well, are these directional? No, doesn't matter which way you put things in, just stuff them in there and make it work. So we have the Rear of the wheel nicely seated. Then we need the front. The good looking. Oh, these look so good. I haven't bothered to like 3D print or design some inserts or anything like that for these, because honestly, in tires this small, a 3D printed insert, which is what I run in basically every wheel and tire combo I have, but in these tiny ones, there's so little foam and so little give on the sidewall. It's really hard and kind of about pointless to do a 3D print insert. Foams will work bad as well. There's not much. Well, you can do a little bit, but yeah, not really something I'm gonna spend a bunch of time on. So that's one wheel and tire, and I reckon that's gonna look really good. So I'm gonna mount 4 more, well, not 4 more, 3 more